Welcome to the sale of our Isuzu Rodeo Denver. This is a long wheelbase, four-wheel drive automatic turbo diesel. It was first registered on the 12th of May 2004 and it's in fabulous condition. Let me show you around it. Its current mileage is 86,500 and its MOT due date is on the 17th of September 2019. As you can see, the interior is in lovely condition. It's not been a working vehicle, it's really been kept very well. Having had only one previous keeper, there are two number plates in the rear for towing, and the vehicle's got a great tow bar. As I hope you can see, this is a great, tidy working vehicle. The chassis has been wax oiled from top to toe. It's in fabulous order and runs really well. Take a listen. As I've said, this vehicle's only done 86,500. It has all its paperwork there. It's got 13 stamps in the service history and it's in fabulous condition. It's for sale with mikeedge.co.uk. For any further information, please don't hesitate in contacting me. Thanks for looking.